students, welcome to class. Yeah, I'm wearing a big shirt and a tie. But all that you need to focus on is what's written on my tie. Can you read it? Everyone can be vegan. Right. And you know what else? You can also pretend to be vegan if you're this person. She's crazy. Rally Link 14, why are you so mean? Rally Link 14, why are you so mean? Rally Link 14, why are you so mean? You're the biggest hypocrite I've ever seen. That's you. That's the face of a hypocrite. That's the face of somebody who puts her hand in her pocket, takes out some money, walks up to somebody who has a knife or a gun, looks at the animals and says, yeah, I'd like you to kill that one, and I'd like you to kill that one, and yeah, I'll take that one. Then these animals are murdered, and she brings them into her home. And then she calls herself vegan. There's a lot of crazy people on this earth. I mean, people will do anything for views. It's really insane. But you know what? We're going to keep going on here, and we are going to be talking about important things about the animals. Now, we know it's a fact that animals can be completely healthy on a vegan diet. And, you know, I was just going to, for fun, read this article to you about somebody who was just talking about Bramble, one of the oldest living dogs on earth, 25 years old. And here the person's writing, could a vegan diet actually be better for dogs than meat? Now, this is just one person's experience where they had a dog who started getting arthritis, and then she decided to put her dog on a vegan diet, and her experience was really great. Her dog started to be able to jump on the beds again and to jump into the car, and people started commenting about how her dog just looked so much younger. So I just thought that was kind of interesting. It's a kind of a cute story, and yeah, here's Bramble. They're talking about Bramble. The person also had other dogs, by the way, who had Bramble. The person had, when they were interviewed, this is what they said: I had 7 dogs. 3 of them lived to 19 years old. 1 lived to 20, and then Bramble lived to 25 years old. All of them were vegan. Is that fascinating? I think it's pretty cool. So my dog Bella has been eating a vegan diet for, I think, well, she started becoming vegan. We started buying vegan pet food for her in August 2017. So she's been fine since then. Every time we go to the vets always say, yeah, she's totally fine. And they've done her blood work and they say, it's fine. And they've looked into her mouth, they looked at her teeth, they said her teeth look great. They've looked at her paws, they looked at her fur, and they said, everything's great. They touched her nose and they said, everything's great. Looked into her eyes, everything. They've just poked at her. I said, are you sure she's fine? Because a lot of crazy people on the internet seem to think that she's not okay. And the vet said, there's a lot of crazy people on the internet. And I said to my vet, do you know somebody, by the way, named Rally Link 14 by any chance? And my vet said, oh yeah, her? Oh yeah, she's crazy. So that's what we're dealing with here. Anyway, I'm going to sing my song again about Rally Link 14. But first, I'm going to remind you to watch this important documentary. Okay, there you're going to learn about the animals and what they really go through. Now, I know many of you are stubborn, and you haven't gone to see this documentary yet. I know, and you know, I used to be stubborn too. When people would tell me, go and watch this, I'd be like, yeah, I don't really want to. Like, there was this book one time that somebody recommended to me, like actually a lot of people were recommending to me. It was called The Artist's Way. And I kept hearing about this book. Somebody said, oh, you should totally get that book, The Artist's Way. It reminds me of you, and so on. So eventually one time I saw, okay, I'm going to finally go to the bookstore and check out this book. So I sat there and I started reading it in the bookstore. And the next thing you know, I was sitting down and I'd been reading it for hours. And I thought, okay, I absolutely have to buy this book. But anyway, just to show you how, you know, I understand how people can be stubborn. But this book, this documentary is called WatchDominion.com, and it is really important that you know what's going on so you can understand why we are here on social media. I am here for one reason only, to try to get you to learn the truth. I can't force you to be vegan. I can't go to the grocery store and just keep shoving tofu in your cart and running away with your meat. I can't. But what I can do is keep reminding you to try to educate yourself. Going forward after that, it's up to you. You know, you're going to be the one to decide whether you're going to be a good person or an evil person. And speaking of evil, Rally Link 14, why are you so mean? Rally Link 14, why are you so mean? Rally Link 14, why are you so mean? You're the biggest hypocrite I've ever seen. Yeah, congratulations to you on being the biggest hypocrite ever. I just don't get it. How anybody can pay for this sadness, this murder to happen to these innocent animals when you can just go and buy healthy vegan dog food, vet approved. It's just nuts. I really, honestly, I don't understand your mind at all. You say you like animals, but you don't. You just like certain ones. You just like horses. That's it. The other ones, as far as you're concerned, fuck them. That's your attitude. You're nuts. I wouldn't be surprised if you eat hamburgers and all kinds, maybe dip into your own dog's food when there's leftovers or whatever. Probably like, okay, one dead animal for you, one dead animal for you, and oh, I'll just stick this in the frying pan while I'm at it. Right? You do that, don't you? Yeah. That's what I thought. Just cut it out. Totally ridiculous. Okay, so I've tried to encourage you to watch this documentary. Remember that we are not here to steal from animals. Don't steal from animals. Don't steal their fur, their feathers, their eggs, their milk, their muscles, their body parts. Hello, Rally Link 14. Don't steal animals' lives. Pretty simple. Okay, if you're interested in more information, you can go to watch these are actually websites, egg-truth.com and dairy-truth.com. Have a look at that. And if you want to see my latest TikTok, where I play this therapist, which is a kind of a crazy character that I play, you can go to that non-vegan therapist on TikTok. That account's still up. And, well, you'll see. Anyway, that's it. Okay, so, right, I have a bunch of other cards here. Yeah, don't pay for murder. Just to remind you, don't pay for murder. And if you're if you are interested, you can, and you want to have a dog or a cat in your life, you want to help to save an animal, then adopt, don't shop. Okay, don't pay for animals. Don't pay for them to be in your home. Don't go and ask somebody to breed animals into existence for you. And by the way, don't pay people to murder animals. Fuck, it's so fucked up. All right, thanks a lot for being here, guys. Coming up are going to be a bunch of other videos on the screen. Have a look at them. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Help me get the animals out of hell. That's right, the hell that they are living through right now on factory farms. It's absolutely awful. Just terrible. Should we sing again? You guys know the song now? All right, let's do it. Ready? We're going to stop. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Rally Link 14, why are you so mean? Rally Link 14, why are you so mean? Rally Link 14, why are you so mean? You're the biggest hypocrite I've ever seen. Woo! Yeah! Bye, everyone. See you in the next video. Do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, fine. If you hate me, just press don't like. Just press something. Oh, write something in the comments. Lately, I've been trying to read them. I mean, usually I just don't have time. But, tell me about your dogs if they're vegan. Or tell me about how you became vegan. Write something good in your life, something that you're grateful for. Yeah, make it interesting. I'm going to make some vegan popcorn. I'm just going to read the comments. But make it interesting. Don't just put all your damn meat emojis. Do something interesting. Thank you. Appreciate it. Bye for now.